How's it going, guys? In today's video, we're going to go ahead and install a roof rack system on our 95 Jeep Cherokee. I went ahead and bought eight total brackets, so 2 boxes of a set of 4. You can find the link below. These are them here, and so far so good. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to go ahead, take off our old stuff, mount up our new stuff, and then take it back off, paint it, etc., and put it back on there. Throughout this video, I'll mention that we've ordered a new tent. We've had an old FSR here. This is the one that has the Jeep logo on it. Boop.
Pocket so fat, call me Orbit. Orbit. Gotta wait to make no moves, I be loaded. They would be afraid once I make a move on you. I be loaded. Ain't gotta wait to make no moves, I be loaded. Why you watching?
All right, so the issue I had with my Yakimas, which is why I want to take them off. 1, I had no keys, and 2, they're starting to fall apart. So you can see here, we got a hose clamp on it, and they're old, some burnt. They are plastic, so just need a change. I was relying on it with my fat ass. I'm 260 pounds, 6 foot, and this is all I had supporting my rooftop tent, which weighs 120 pounds. So we decided to upgrade not only our roof racks here, but in a later video, we also upgraded our rooftop tent. Yep, T25 it is. We're gonna pull off this roof rack. Just lift the shirt up and to the back. So this is what it leaves us with. That I'm not going to worry too much about because what we're going to mount is to the rain gutter, drip molding, etc. So my idea is I'm going to put 1 here, so it's going to have 1 crossbar, 2, 3, and then probably 4th one will be back here. So I had it here before, so I might bring it back just about here. I went ahead and ordered 2 boxes of these. So pretty much 8 brackets in total. They are, as you can see here, finished like a round liner. They are steel, I believe. 2-piece like this. Clamps down, and then you just tighten up your bolt. And up here you'd have a single slot. As you can see, my idea is I might just grind the paint off of this. And then let me show you guys what we're going to use as a roof rack. I went ahead and purchased, this is just one 10-foot long section. I believe this is a 12 gauge galvanized steel piece of, I forget what it is now, but this is 10 feet. I'm going to cut it down to the desired size I need. And then my idea is going to be to weld this to that roof rack and bolt it down as well. So a couple things to note. I don't know if you guys know, but actually it has door sag. So mine fits there. So this door doesn't sag a lot. I'm gonna see what I can do. Maybe I take out the padding that's in there. Let it pick it up a little bit. So I would assume with some support on top, it's a little bit more rigid, but we shall figure it out. So our first measurement comes out to 50 inches. So I will definitely need to buy another one of these. But we're gonna go off 50 inches now, cut it, and go there. Pretty much I've got them all where I want them to be at. From this one to that one, you're at 21 inches. From the first one to the back one, you got 42. And in the back, I think front to back is 64 inches total. I bought some more hardware so I could put 2 in each one of them. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray paint it. I wasn't going to weld it, but in case I want to get them back off and readjust or whatever, I'm going to keep them on there. Because I'm not 100% sure yet with my new tent if I'll have enough clearance here to mount on the bolts. My only thing is I don't really care if I don't bolt onto these. As long as I have these as a support, it's all that matters to me. So we're going to go ahead and pull them off and then add more hardware. And then we'll go ahead and paint it.
Shorty, get that Glock, got it standing like an outlet. How you out, chip? I ain't catch you out yet. I'm so damn fly. I do not step. Yeah, I pop. And I pop checks. I don't know where I'm going. I just...
And that is the finished product. So every Jeep has a different door gap, so just be aware of that. Mine hits on some points, but I'll iron those kinks out. So I've got 4 of them, as you can see. And she looks pretty spiffy.